right, dudes, and we are here, bro. We're out in Fort Lauderdale, man. As you can see, AG Auto Sports behind us, man. We just traveled down here for the tune today. Chris Carby is knocking out a flex fuel tune for us. Right now, the car is in the shop right now, getting the pump installed as well as the injectors. We did drive down here. A little risky today. We actually took the stock MAF and did a little modification to it so we can fit it on the big turbo intake setup. So with that being done, by the way, just driving completely normal, we had no problems getting in here in-house. So we're here, we put the intake on, pump's getting installed right now. We're gonna go ahead and jump forward though and show you guys straight to the dyno and see what kind of numbers we can produce today. Dude, what a little gem, bro. A little Evo 4 going down over here at AG. That's pretty sweet. I've always thought about wanting to get like Evo 4 or 5. Everyone wants 6s, but I really want an Evo 5, so I have a 5 and a 10. Up in the air, man. I know these things are still kind of expensive. You're gonna spend like 25, 30 grand on an old Evo 4 or 5, but worth it? I don't know, man. What do you guys think? All right, so still on the weights right now to actually get the car on the dyno, whether the fuel pump and injectors get put in right now. So in between that, obviously, there's some cars getting strapped down on the dyno. So let's go ahead and fast forward and check out a couple numbers that people did before us. Dudes, as you can see, we are in it, bro. Fuel pump installed, injectors installed, sun going down because we got pushed back behind, man. Had some other installs get in front of us, and that's all good. It is now done and done, though, man. We're getting strapped down, about to make some power, so let's go ahead and flash ahead and see what's good.
do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
All right, man, on the way back from Fort Lauderdale, guys. We made extensive power. You guys are gonna see some pulls in just a second here. This is the way back though, so we actually didn't want to get crazy since it's a 4-hour drive from Fort Lauderdale back to Tampa and risk anything on the way. But I'm gonna jump you guys into the future in 1 second, and we're gonna show you guys some hard pulls on this car with this big turbo setup and all this newfound power that it just got. I hope you guys do enjoy this video today. So let's go ahead and jump to the future, and I will see you in the next video.